সবাই কেমন আছো? আশা করছি ভালোই আছো। আমি অভিষেক আর তোমরা দেখছো ফটো ক্লিপস ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। সো ফ্রেন্ডস, ভিডিওটি শুরু করার আগে ছোট্ট একটা রিকোয়েস্ট, যারা যারা চ্যানেল নতুন প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি অবশ্যই অন করে রাখো। যখনই আমি নতুন ভিডিও আপলোড করব সঙ্গে সঙ্গে যেন তোমাদের কাছে নোটিফিকেশন চলে যায়। আর যারা অলরেডি সাবস্ক্রাইব করা আছে তাদের জন্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। তো চলো বেশি কথা না বাড়িয়ে আজকের ভিডিও শুরু করা যাক।
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close, hold me tight, don't let me go. Girl, you know that I'ma want you all my life, but I got so much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'ma let you keep me up another time, but please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind, baby, please don't stay the night. I must do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Can't be waiting. Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Would you be waiting? My days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I be real for a minute? It's almost like everything I feel had a limit. It now gone past. Finding reasons to smile and to laugh and whenever it's a bad day, music is my band-aid. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do it all 'cause I'm feeling so good. I do it all 'cause I'm feeling so good.
room again, I'm trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time.